We all know the frustration of losing something important, but when it's taken from you, that frustration becomes even more profound. You notice your wallet is missing. You immediately feel that anxiety as your heart starts pounding as you realize how much personal information and value is tied to it. Now imagine you're an owner-operator or fleet manager, and instead of a wallet, you've lost track of an entire semi-trailer and its cargo. The financial loss alone could be crippling, but it doesn't stop there. You're not only facing a massive hit to your bottom line, but also the disruption to your driver's livelihood. They may be stranded, unable to work, and left dealing with the emotional stress of the situation. Meanwhile, you're left scrambling, filing police reports, initiating an insurance claim, updating customers on delayed or lost deliveries, and trying to gather any details about the trailer's last known location. In 2023, thefts in the US amounted to more than $694 million in losses. It's a staggering reality, but one that you can guard against. That's why BrightOrder's tracking devices offer precise, real-time tracking for your fleet. These devices provide pinpoint accuracy, alerting you when vehicles leave designated areas or make unauthorized movements, protecting your assets from theft before it's too late. Installation is simple. With an extended battery life, you can set it and forget it, knowing your fleet is secure for the long haul. Stay one step ahead and secure peace of mind. Protect your fleet and assets with BrightOrder Telematics devices. Visit brightorder.com/solutions to learn more.